Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about metabolism tips and tricks to burn cellulite. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. What is metabolism? What are the ways to speed it up? Is there any connection between low metabolism and cellulite? Lots of people, especially women, have cellulite, which is the dimpled flesh, caused by fat underneath the skin that is more common on the buttocks and thighs. Over 95% of women do have cellulite. It's common, normal, and there is no need to feel embarrassed about it. However, many women wish to decrease its appearance on their skin. First of all, we should know what metabolism is. The chemical processes that occur within your body, by which the food you eat have broken down into energy for your living activities, is called metabolism. Some factors affect metabolism, such as genetics, age, lifestyle, diet, exercise, weight. We can't do the first two factors, but the nice thing is we can take control of the four others. If our metabolism slows down, it's because we've done some damage to it, but don't worry. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Some tricks help you to repair your metabolism speed and to combat your cellulite. So, let's dive into the diet tips first. Drink enough water. The first and the most important tip is drinking enough water. It may seem not necessary, but the fact is that drinking at least 6 cups of water every day is essential for your health because it helps your body carry vital nutrients to your cells, and it'll cut toxins and waste products. Besides, it keeps your metabolism rate high. Remember that you must drink water before you feel thirsty. You should know that cellulite looks uglier when your skin has been dehydrated. Do you want to have fresh and smooth skin not only on your legs but also all over your body? Try plenty of liquid per day. And if you find plain water boring, flavor it with slices of fruit like lemon or berries. Vitamin C. As you know, collagen in our body is in charge of keeping the skin fresh, even, and smooth. Vitamin C is one of the most important things that can influence collagen production. If you have a diet rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, A, E, it could support your skin to prevent and repair skin damages, which leads to cellulite. It boosts elasticity and keeps thighs and buttocks firm. Fruits rich in fiber. Fruits are excellent choices for snacks. They have low calories, low sugar, and high fiber, which keep you full for a long time. That is a great way to kickstart your metabolism once again. There's another benefit. Cellulite has been made by increasing the number of toxins within our body, so rich antioxidant fruits are a substantial way to beat that bumpy skin from the inside out. Try apples, pears, oranges, strawberries, mango, grapefruit, peaches, grapes, and all brightly colored ones. Split up your meals. Some diets might cut calories too low to lose weight. It might be effective at first, but it won't work for a long time. The better way is to spread your calories during the day, which has a strong effect on your metabolism speed rate. When you keep yourself hungry for a long time, your body thinks that you're in a rough condition of existence like starving, and the result would be? It brings your metabolism lower and lower, trying to cut down the amount of energy to keep you alive for a longer time. Eat more frequently. It doesn't mean that you should eat a lot of carbohydrates. Make healthier food choices with low calories, and don't keep yourself hungry for hours. It'll fix your slowed metabolism. Have broccoli. Broccoli is a standout among all the vegetables. It is a key to success for people who want to lose weight. It is low in calories, contains calcium, rich in vitamin A and C, high in fiber, but that's not the only advantage you get. It'll also boost your immune system. Some studies have indicated that broccoli can enhance abdominal fat loss. Did we have enough diet tips? Stick around. We haven't mentioned all the tips yet. Do exercises. For combating your cellulite, regular exercise serves a great deal. Cellulite is fat tissue underneath the skin, so losing some pounds will help you to decrease fat dimples. Regular exercise is when you have at least a 45-minute exercise 3 times a week. You could do any kind of exercise, but it'll be more effective if you do HIIT exercises. Steady cardio workouts are good too, But if you want to have more efficient outcomes, try sports that keep your heartbeat rate and your metabolism up to burn more fat, such as jogging, cycling, swimming, and yoga. To make your cellulite look better, you should specifically do leg exercises that deal with thighs and buttocks to tighten the skin, like squats, lunges, and kickbacks. Make sure you are doing squats and lunges properly to prevent damages to your back, knees, and other bones and joints. Stop smoking and drinking alcohol. Smoking cigarettes is a striking factor that effectively reduces collagen production. Cigarettes have toxins that destroy skin cells and collagen. The result is your cellulite becomes more prominent. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Both foster lots of toxins in your body, which have significant impacts not only on your skin but also on every part of your body. Coffee scrub. It has been said coffee scrubbing is one of the top cellulite treatments that can lessen cellulite's ugly appearance. You can make coffee scrubs at home. You should just mix a cup of coffee with 2/3 cup sugar, and ½ cup sweet almond oil, and massage it gently in circular motions on the areas of your skin that have cellulite. Rinse it after 4 to 5 minutes, and make sure you'll use a high-quality moisturizer. Dry brush every day. Dry brushing is the other way of getting rid of cellulite. Putting dry brushing into your daily routine may seem a little time-consuming, but the benefits you gain will be worth it. It will boost your blood circulation and help the lumpy skin become more even. Use a natural bristle body brush for this purpose. After all, utilize these tricks to stoke your metabolism and decrease cellulite, but don't forget that having cellulite is normal, common, and there is no reason to be unhappy about it. You shouldn't be focused on your flaws. Cellulite is the appearance of lumpy or dimpled cottage cheese skin, which predominantly develops with age on the legs, butt, stomach, and back of the arms. When you have globules of fat under the skin pushing up against the connective tissue, you have this uneven, mottled skin appearance. Some of the factors that contribute to this condition are a lack of exercise, hormone changes, and you guessed it, your diet. Try a better lifestyle, make healthier food choices, do more exercises, but do not hate yourself for having some little dimples on your skin. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.